Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Yuka app. You will click on settings. Here in this page you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then in this window here you will search about the application of Yuka app and you will enter. Here in this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here you will click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for your watching and your attention.